Hey everybody, welcome to Garden Devotions. This is Deb, and I wanted to take a moment to show you something you can do with Thrive food. I am not much of a chocolate dipper. You know that. You can probably tell that from looking at these. But at the grocery store, they had this like little tray of chocolate that you could heat up in the microwave, and then you could dip things in it. So I thought, I wonder what would happen if you did that to Thrive some of the Thrive fruit. So I have some bananas and some apples here. Now I did do some strawberries, but I ate those. I'm sorry. And you'll find out that if you dip them completely in the chocolate, so they have chocolate all surrounding it, the fruit inside stays really crisp. So what I want to do, and again, I'm horrible at dipping. I don't do it right. And there are some of you that make beautiful candies. Not me. I do it the easy way. So listen to this. Can you hear that? See? I'll see if I can get it to focus. Yes, please focus. There. Okay, you see? It is still dry inside. The banana is still nice and crisp. Oh, these are so good with the chocolate on the outside. And I did the same thing with apples. I'm going to set this over here and get one of the apple slices. Here's an apple slice. Okay. And I'm going to take a bite of it and show you what it looks like inside. There it is. Still dry, but nice apple taste. So this is a good way of doing the fruits if you want something a little special for the holidays. And if you're good at dipping and make things look really pretty, send me the photos. I'd like to have them. I'd be happy to put them on my Facebook page. So this is just one more idea of what you can do with Thrive. It's just a very useful food. Have at it. So enjoy. See you later. Bye.